Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows upgrade with error code 0x80070004-0x2000D. So this error usually occurs when the migrate data phase of the installation process, and the common causes include user profile corrupted or set up incorrectly, and leftover system files from the earlier failed system. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu, and then here for search for apps, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open, and then here at troubleshoots under at options, and then you need to select this other troubleshooters and then click. In here again at other troubleshooters, and then under at most frequent, and then you need to select this Windows Update, and on right side, and then you need to click or tap this run, and then we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. Once the troubleshooting has completed, and then we need to close these settings. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to perform a clean boot before upgrading. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard, and then pop up this run, so here in box. So just type this command keyword msconfig.exe, and then click OK, and then pop up this system configurations. And then next step, so here then you need to select this services tab and then click. And the next step, then you need to check all of these services, and then check this hide all Microsoft services, and then check this box. Okay, so once you check this box hide all Microsoft services, and also you need to click this disable all, and the next you need to click this. Okay, alright, so once you're done here at system configuration settings, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the sfc and the same command. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu, and then here for search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select this run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword sfc space / scan now. So just type this command keyword sfc space / scan now. So and then /scan now, that's one word, and then press enter. And then you need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So once it's complete, and the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just copy this command keyword dsm space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So use this keyboard shortcut Control plus C to copy this command keyword, and then we need to paste in here again Control plus B. And then next, you need to press enter and wait to complete the verifications again into 100%. So once it's complete this two command keyword, and then we need to close. And again here at start menu, and then you need to click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching.